Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Pisces. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Venus sitting in the sign of Pisces, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you is the Wheel of Fortune. So the next 6 months are going to be amazing for you. A lot of things are going to be changing. So if you guys are in different areas of the world, or if you are standing at the crossroads in your relationship, in your situationship, or in whatever it is, love related or personal life related, very soon the tables are going to turn, because right now there's a very strong masculine and feminine energy playing in the cards. You both are trying to balance your own energies. You're trying to understand what it is that you want, and only then are you will you be able to move forward. But the next 6 months absolutely are going to be different from where you are right now. The next card I have for you is Five of Pentacles. Now, there is a possibility you are hoping to get help, like you're just reaching out, blindly towards the universe to help you get over this situation. Now, what I'm feeling is, um, for you guys, things may not be as smooth as they used to be, and you are undergoing this change. Things are taking this turn, you are undergoing this change. But with the Five of Pentacles showing up, this is a card of transformation, because you're trying to balance your masculine and feminine energies. And number 5 is the number of Mercury. And Five of Pentacles usually is a card where it says, you're going through a financial distress. So financially things may not be so good. uh, Emotionally you might feel like you're not connecting with your partner, and hence you want to explore, you want to take some time alone, you just want to figure it out. Or you could also be like, I want to make this relationship work, but I just don't know what can I do to make it work. So you're trying to put your faith into something that is going to give you results. At the bottom of the deck I have the Ten of Cups, which tells me there's a very strong emotional connection between you people. Like, you want to be with each other, you want things to move forward, but at the same time, with this energy you are unsure of how to move forward. For some of you, I do feel like you guys are already married. And for singles, if you have been single for some time now, I do see somebody coming towards you. It could be a Scorpio sign. Uh, it could be Scorpio. It could be Cancer. It could be Pisces as well. The next card I have for you is the Two of Pentacles. So 100% you are managing multiple things at the same time. You definitely, like, something in regards to your finances is going on, and that's something you kind of have to manage for now. Maybe one of you doesn't have a job, and that is impacting your relationship. But there is like 100% there's an uneven, or there's an uncertainty when it comes to your finances. See, again, Six of Pentacles, and you're hoping to find somebody who's going to help you. You're trying to believe to, there's a higher power that's going to come and help you. And all the people you have helped in the past, they are going to come back, and somehow, either directly or indirectly, you are going to be supported by someone. You will get the help that you are seeking, that's for sure. At the bottom of the deck I have the Three of Pentacles, which is telling me you are going to be doing something in collaboration. So you will reach out, you're not being afraid to learn, you are okay with learning, you want to reach out, and you want to get somebody who can help you, so that you can move forward, you can at least have a stable relationship. I know I'm going a little farther away from where we started. This is a love reading, but finances do seem to be the highlight here. The next card I have for you is the Two of Wands. So definitely you're evaluating your choices when it comes to work. At the same time, when it comes to your love life, you are trying to be independent. So you and your person are trying to figure out how you can both grow independently, or what you can bring to the table independently. You are making plans, you want things to move forward, and you want things to move forward quickly. Magician. Now, if you take a look at this, I'm going to show you something. So the Two of Wands has the infinity sign. The Magician card has the infinity sign. So one of the things I can actually say looking at this is you have very strong power of manifestation. Whether you want to manifest better finances so your relationship does not suffer, or you want to manifest just a better relationship or a new person in your life, you can absolutely do it. Aquarius sign is also very, very prominent for you guys. Bottom of the deck, I have the Emperor card, which is telling me you guys are definitely going to move ahead, and you are going to find someone. For very few people, very, very few people, you could be dealing with a third party, somebody who is becoming sort of a problem in your relationship, and you had this 10 of cups together with one another, and now you're going through this thing because this person was unable to control, and they ended up in a third party situation. You did not want to be in one, but you ended up in one. So that's not for all, that's for very few people, but definitely you are going to be getting help, so don't worry about it. From love messages, the first card that I have for you is that you deserve love. That's what I said, right? You deserve it. You are going to get the help that you have given in the past, which is why I keep telling you, help people for no reason. So when you need help, at least someone is nice enough to come and help you back. The next card I have for you is flirt. So extend your light-hearted energy to others. A lot of flirting needs to happen, especially with the magician card. Magicians can create magic, and that's exactly what you need to create. Create magic in your relationship. Some of you could be traveling as well. Not all, very, very few. The sign of Sagittarius is also important. Sign of Leo is also very important. Libra, I also see sign of Libra being important. So more of it is towards balancing, bringing back the harmony in your relationship. So do focus on that, and don't forget to check out your readings by your date of birth as well as your career readings.